up, you guys? Welcome back to another Lady Savage video. Today we're going to be going over my top 3 favorite shoulder exercises. So my first exercise I'm going to share with you guys is the shoulder press. You can use a dumbbell, you can use a barbell, whatever you prefer. You can kind of do it a little bit different. You can either do it seated or standing, but I really love this exercise because it really allows you to see your strength within your shoulders with how much you're able to go upwards. So with a lot of shoulder exercises, you're going to have to go a little bit lighter, but with the shoulder press, you can really get underneath of it and push real hard, get a lot more weight on that on the bar. With this exercise, a lot of people tend to kind of bounce themselves with their legs. You can do that, but make sure that you're also doing some of the strict press when you're incorporating this exercise so that you're really seeing the strength from your shoulders and not the bounce from your legs. So that's for sure my favorite exercise for shoulders. Then we have the lateral raises, and the lateral raises are great. You can either do the side or the front raises. I like both. You can incorporate both. Generally, those are the movements that I use when I'm starting my workout, just trying to get a nice pump, trying to warm up my shoulders a little bit. But both of them are really, really great. It's a little bit harder to find movements to work on the side and work on the front. So using those as a little bit of leverage, you can either do a single arm and go a little bit heavier, or you can work both arms at the same time and maybe possibly have to go a little bit lighter with those dumbbells. But those are really, really great. I usually do a lot of reps with those ones and get a really, really nice burn going. The last one is going to be the rear delt raise or the rear delt fly, and the reason for this is because you got to work those rear delts at some point. I love to do it with like an incline bench. You can do it bent over, you can do it with a cable. I like to do it with an incline bench to really take the movement and the momentum off of the exercise and really get a nice squeeze at the top without having to hold myself up or hold myself bent over. So you can get a really, really nice squeeze in the back there and then relax there at the bottom. Again, with this one, I generally do a little bit more reps because I can't get the weight up there. So I would rather do more reps with a little bit lighter weight than going super, super heavy and not being able to do as much. So those are my top 3 shoulder exercises for today, and we'll see you guys in the next video.